Today I want to make pasta for dinner. So I came to my garden to pluck some carrot leaves, and this is what I see. The bunnies ate my carrot leaves. But I have few leaves left here. So I'm going to pluck those to make pasta. I'm also going to pluck basil leaves from here. I have a couple of plants. So I'm going to pluck these leaves as well. Okay. Finally, I was able to get these carrot leaves. These are tender carrot leaves with tender stems. Okay. And I also plucked basil. Here I have carrots as well. Garlic, zucchini, salt, spice powder, green chillies, homemade tofu or paneer, walnuts, organic pasta, and olive oil. I'm going to start making pasta by first peeling this garlic. Then I'm going to put garlic, green chilies, basil, carrot leaves along with these tender stems and walnuts into this blender, and I'm going to blend it into fine paste. I will also peel these carrots and cut carrots and zucchini into medium-sized pieces. Zucchini and carrot pieces are ready. Now I'm going to start cooking pasta. Now the water is hot. Looks like it started bubbling. Now I'm going to add pasta into it. I'm also going to add 2 or 3 drops of olive oil so that the pasta doesn't stick. Here the pasta is getting cooked. On this side I have this pan. I've added 2 spoons of oil, and now I'm going to add this tofu into this. And I'm going to mix this until it becomes golden brown. Here I kept stirring the pasta now and then so that it won't stick. And also make sure that you have a bowl with thick bottom. That way the pasta shells doesn't stick to the bottom. Here it looks like the tofu is ready. It doesn't have to be like dark golden brown. If you see like here and there, if you see brown stuff, then you can turn it off. Now I'm going to transfer this into a separate bowl, and then I'm going to add 1 spoon of oil, and I'm going to throw the vegetables into this, zucchini and carrots. I'm going to mix this well. After it gets cooked, I'm going to drain out the water. Looks like the pasta is cooked. Now I'm going to drain the water. Now I added carrots and zucchini into this pan. And now I'm going to partially cook this. This shouldn't be too soft. Okay, and I'm going to cover this with a lid for about 4 minutes. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Mix it and then cover it. Here I have carrot leaves, basil, walnuts paste ready. This I'm going to mix into the drained pasta and cook it for about 5 minutes. While the pasta is getting cooked, I'm going to add half of the salt to pasta and leave the remaining part. I'm going to mix this well. On this side looks like the zucchini is cooked, but not the carrots yet, so I'm going to leave this for another 2 minutes. Okay, now both carrots and zucchini are cooked. Now I'm going to mix these into this pasta and mix this. Now I'm going to add the remaining salt and the spice powder, that is any masala powder. I'm going to add olive oil, like 2 spoons of olive oil, and I'm going to cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now it looks like the pasta and all the vegetables are cooked together. Now at this point I'm going to add this tofu or paneer and mix it well. Three minutes after adding tofu, the pasta is ready. Now I'm going to transfer this into a serving plate. This pasta made with carrot leaves, basil and paneer looks yummy. I can smell the beautiful aroma of basil and carrot leaves. Carrot greens and carrots are high in protein, vitamins and minerals. Basil is great for its aroma and have compounds that have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic have a lot of medicinal properties. These 3 vegetables are easy to grow in small home gardens and also in containers. And paneer is homemade with 2% milk, hence it's very healthy as it has calcium and protein and no salt. I love to grow my vegetables and love to cook healthy food for my family. Hence, I encourage all of you to grow plants at home, as many as you could, and feed your family and yourself with healthy food. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Thanks for watching.